Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to color grade iPhone footage in DaVinci Resolve. Like you can see that on this footage colors are pretty blown out, or you can say washed out. And in order to solve this issue, what you can do, very first thing you need to do is to just select your clip and go to color tab. Now here you need to enable the nodes option. Hit right click on your current node, choose the option add node and click on add serial. New node will be added here. Now we're gonna do some changes here. So for that, go to effects, and here in the search bar we need to type something like color space transform. Here it is. So we have to drag this onto the new node. Now you will see these options, and here in input color space we need to select some options. Like here you just need to scroll a bit and choose the option rec 2020. Then here you need to choose the input gamma option, and here on this we're gonna choose the option like here it is 2100 HLG. Once you do that, just scroll a bit, and on the down you will see the option this mapping method, gamma mapping method, something like that. So you have to expand this drop down and choose the option saturation and compression. So once you do that, now we're gonna play with this curve. So for that, just enable the curve from this option. Once you get the curve, you can just move this line around. Like you can just decrease it like this, or also just like me, you can just make the highlights a bit like this, and shadows gonna be something like this. You can see that the footage is pretty good now. And also if you increase the contrast, you can see that the footage is looking good. So I think this is gonna be good for me. If I just increase the tint, the footage is getting better. Now if we just try to decrease the gamma value, similarly we're gonna add some darkness. So for that we just need to move the slider towards left in order to get the darkness. Now if I go back to edit tab and show you that how good the results are, yeah, the results are pretty good, and that's what we want. And yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can color grade your iPhone footages in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.